Hello, my name is Lily, and today I'll show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So, there are a couple of methods to do this, but there's not a way to completely delete it, so keep that in mind. If you really want to delete this recently played section, your best course of action would be to log out of your Spotify account and only use the free version. If you have a premium subscription to Spotify, tap on your settings button up here, scroll to the bottom, and select Logout. Then that will log you out of Spotify. However, you can always use the free option of Spotify. That's your first method. The next method is to just go ahead and simply switch off your listening activity, and we'll go back to our settings screen right here and then scroll down to your social settings, which would be right over here. Now, go ahead and simply disable the listening activity. So, what this setting will do is simply hide your recently played tracks from those that have access to your recently played song lists, and if you do have any social media profiles linked to Spotify or anything like that, what you want to do is just go ahead and switch on a private session over here, and as you'll see from what it says, no one will be able to see what songs you play. You'll always be able to see what tracks you've listened to, but no one else will be allowed to do so. Then it will also automatically disable your listening activity too. By doing that, no one else will be able to see just what songs you're playing on Spotify. And that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe.